The current situation, the year 2020, the world had come to a standstill. Uncertainty was the only certain aspect. Death was looming large. Everyone was behind closed doors, fingers crossed, scared. Suddenly, all seemed lost. But cometh the hour, cometh the human, and that human appeared in white coat with PPE kits and a belief that nothing is lost. They fought with a lion's heart, the dedication of an ant and the perseverance of the proverbial crow trying to drink water from a pitcher, and the tide began to turn. People's faith started to get resorted. Hope was becoming a more common reality. Life and livelihood was coming back to its normal phase. But fate had something else in store. The ravaging pandemic again came back in uglier and deadlier mode. Lives were getting lost. Families were getting devastated. However, the humans in white had some other thoughts. They again stood up, all geared and braced for impact. They have now prepared for the final showdown with the menace of the pandemic and its horrifying after effects. More than thousands of them have become martyrs in the war against this pandemic. But they have been relentless, full of hope and optimism that the end to all the sufferings are near. And we believe them because they are not just normal human like us. They are the superhumans of the world, a unique kind of people whom we more commonly know as doctors. On this Doctor's Day, we take this opportunity to express our deepest gratitude to our superhumans and to their super families who made them who they are. We live because you chose to leave your houses. We continue to survive because you chose not to give up.
Compliments to all my colleagues, clinical colleagues on the occasion of Doctor's Day. This is a very important day in our calendar, and particularly this year since it's been an unprecedented, a very difficult time for all of us. Each of you have been through a very exhaustive phase, particularly the months of April, May and June when we had the COVID wave 2. And each of you have stood up to the challenge, stepped up to the plate and made not only the fraternity, not only the clinical community, but the organization also very proud. And on behalf of the organization, I express my sincere gratitude to you. I would also take this opportunity to thank your families, your spouses, your children, your parents, the ever supportive families, without whose support you would not have been able to manage what you have managed. All of us. So on that note, I hope we all stay safe. I hope we stay strong. I hope we continue to do what we've been doing. And I'm sure we're going to be able to defeat the virus at some point in time, which is not very far from now. Thank you very much. And again, a very happy Doctor's Day.